This is another live, unscripted video showing one of the new features in the latest release of TerreSculptor. I'm just going to create a 2K terrain here, put a basic noise map on it, and we're going to take a look at the Topology tools. The Topology tools, which are 3D gizmo tools, they now have widgets on the gizmos. So for example, if I bring the gizmo up here for my region selection, I can use the standard sliders to move it back and forth to change the size and the location of it. But now if I go over to the left-hand side of the screen to the toolbox, I can now choose widgets, so that I can control it with the mouse. Now with the mouse, I can choose to move my gizmos back and forth to be able to do my selection nice and quick and fast with the mouse. So I'll just copy that spot over to the brush. There it's on the terrain brush. Now I can actually do things like even rotate it using the mouse. Scale it if I want to scale it to different sizes with the mouse. And I've added new buttons here to the rotate and scale as well, so that you can reset them back to the defaults just by clicking on the button. So that way you'll get, if you accidentally scale it and you'd want to take it back to 100% scale, you just click on the 100 button beside the scale and it'll rescale it back. This works out real handy with the merge tool, which what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new 8K terrain here, so that we've got something good for the brushes. And I'll put a very minor noise map on it, so we just have a little bit of a bumpy surface for where the grass is. Hide that home grid. Zoom out here. Now we've got a nice 8K height map, which is great for doing brushes and stuff on it. So we'll go back to Topology, we'll go to the merge, and I'm going to open up a brush file. I've got a whole bunch of alpha brushes of different shaped mountains and such, so I'm just going to bring one of those in. I'll just bring this one in. Now you can see here the what I need to do quick here first is we'll altitude bottom this. There we go. Now you can see I've got the gizmo selection with the gizmo terrain brush, and then I've got my widgets. Oh, I'm still on scale. Let's reset that and go back to translate. Now I can position my brushes around in the scene using the gizmos with the mouse for nice, quick, easy access to be able to build things instead of going over and using the sliders all the time. Anyway, that's the latest major feature in the last release of TerreSculptor 3. More new fancy features are coming in every build. I'm trying to get out a new release every 1 to 2 weeks with new major features in it. So enjoy.